Hey there, my name is Jordan. I am the marketing guy here at Energy Suspension over in San Clemente, California. In this series, we are installing a full vehicle HyperFlex polyurethane master bushing kit on this 2005 Nissan Titan at our headquarters. For this episode, we show how some of the many methods that our team uses to replace the old, worn, and in some cases unsafe rubber bushings. Looking to do something similar on your vehicle? It is strongly recommended to obtain and fully understand the job requirements explained in your vehicle's factory service or repair manual before work begins. There are many ways that this type of installation can be done both at a repair shop or at home. The purpose of this video is to show one of the many ways that old rubber bushings can be replaced with new HyperFlex polyurethane and to show what the process can look like before considering the job yourself. We see Billy and Paul removing the rear leaf spring and shackles. This process is similar on many solid axle rear-wheel drive vehicles. The leaf spring is removed and taken over to the workbench for rubber removal. For this bushing removal, Billy has selected to use a mobile hydraulic press fitted with a C-clamp. Using the provided instruction sheet, we are able to locate spacers and sleeves with the correct dimensions to push out the worn-out rubber bushing. The instruction sheet for this particular installation is in the video description below. One bushing out, and one more to go on this leaf spring. With the bushings out of the spring, we now find ourselves at the stationary hydraulic press to begin removal of the rubber shackle bushing. Again, referencing the provided instruction sheet, we are able to locate spacers and sleeves with the correct dimensions to push out the bushing. Don't have a press like this at home? Or no worries, there are many tools available that can yield the same result. The old and worn out shackle bushing is out. Get ready for the fun part. Let's do this. Using the provided Formula 5 grease, installation of new bright red HyperFlex bushings is a breeze. It is suggested to be liberal with grease application, as any excess can be wiped off after the component is installed. In this video, an arbor press is used to install the new sleeves. A pair of channel locks would work just the same. Now that the fresh bushings and sleeves have been installed on the spring and shackle, we can install the components back into the vehicle. In this video, we watched the Energy suspension team replace old, worn, and in some cases, unsafe rubber bushings with HyperFlex polyurethane that is ready to provide a high-performance driving experience backed with a 7-year, 750,000-mile warranty. There are many ways that this type of installation can be done both at a repair shop or at home. The purpose of this video is to show one of the many ways that old rubber bushings can be replaced with new HyperFlex polyurethane and to show what the process can look like before considering the job yourself. Stay tuned for the next episodes in this series and to learn more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching. Drive safely.